Good morning, Berwick parents of my wonderful fifth grade students. I want to take a few minutes to talk to you about a slight change to the homework policy with the online work. Instead of using ReadWorks, I'm going to be using Study Island because after playing around with the system over Christmas break and whatnot, I just feel like it's a more valuable resource for me as a teacher and for your students to get a little bit more prepared. So the students have been using this at school. It allows me to assign targeted standards-based instruction. So this week they have been working on theme and summary, drawing inferences, and characters, depending upon which of the three homerooms that they're in. So they know how to get to the page. I wanted to clear up just kind of some login information stuff for you and then kind of show you some of the benefits for the students. So their login is going to be CCSOH followed by their student ID number. So their student ID number could be like, just it's a 7-digit number. This is just an example. And then their password is their birthday in month, day, year format. So like my birthday is June 8th. 1983. So I've got 06-08-1983. And then you click sign in. Because that's a fake student ID number, that's not going to work, but I will go ahead and log in as the teacher and show you a little bit more why I like this. So when we get here, I can look at my classes. So this is my homeroom, and this is the assignment that we're doing this week, reading practice 2. In order for them to show mastery on it, they have to score a 70% or higher. The reason that I want to do this over ReadWorks is as soon as the kids are done, they are given their percentage score right then and there, so they know exactly what it is. As you can see, I've given them until the end of the day on Friday to get this done. They have had some time in class, but if they don't get 70% the first time, they can simply go back in and redo this assignment. So you can work with them. And there's also a writing prompt, so we can go there. If just to kind of show you what the assignment looks like, what they're doing. Click here. So as you can see, this class is doing text-based evidence. So here is a look at some of the questions. So drawing inferences, there's all the questions. So they'll read the text, then they pick the answer, okay? And as you go through and do that, they have all of these. Some of them ask them to pick which sentence best fits, there's 10 questions. And they'll go through and do. And some drag and drop. These are just example questions that they can do. So that's kind of what it looks like. And there's that. And I've also added a constructed response. So one of the constructed response questions is going to be, right here. So use the details from the passage to explain how people's lives could be affected by flooding in Bangladesh. Okay, and there's also a rubric form, so they can look at, how they're scored and what it's given. Let me move that in the screen so you can see the points. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 is the score on that. It just gives them a good familiarization with working on test skills with computers for MAP and AIR test. It also has them typing. We have that, and then plus what I really like about it is, I can say, okay, we're working on literature this week. Here's the 2 that we're working on, and we can work through. Again, passing score is a 70% to demonstrate mastery. Once they've demonstrated the mastery for that one, we'll move on. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me over Class Dojo. I'm always available, or you can do the old-fashioned phone call if need be. Thanks, and just I appreciate all your support, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.